जिसका चैप्टर नंबर 18 प्राइस राइज एंड कंज्यूमर अवेयरनेस. Till the time we have studied about reason of consumer exploitation. Next topic is consumer awareness in consumer protection. Consumer na rights જે છે or consumer જે છે એના money જે છે એનાથી જે એને protect કરવું કે money out of given money more amount of commodities how he or she could have. Okay, so consumer awareness in consumer protection. So first protection of ourselves is that we do care of ourselves. So how customer get aware and get protected from this kind of vicious circle. There arose a need of stop exploitation for consumer in different ways to protect right and to provide mental and physical security. In India, a description regarding consumer protection because of misbehavior towards consumer and their exploitation was made for the first time in Kautilya's Arthashastra, which describes misbehavior of trader towards the consumer and his exploitation. Arthashastra is a kind of a book which includes all the wisdom or all the points of business, that how business should be done, what are the kind of consumers, how traders can deal with the consumers, what could be the other. So this all falls on this particular branch of study of business. We find mention of punishment of under-measurement of goods and adulteration or duplication. So in this Arthashastra of Kautilya, there is even punishment if some trader are using adulteration into it, or if it is selling the fake product or anything like that. American President John Franklin Kennedy presented 4 rights of consumer on March 15, 1962 in Parliament of America. He expressed soreness on thoughts that opinion of the consumer is not heard. International organization Consumer International published notification showing right of consumer on 15th March 1983. So you can see that American President John Franklin at 15th March 1962 ની અંદર પાર્લિયામેન્ટ ની અંદર 4 કન્ઝ્યુમર રાઇટ્સ વિશે વાત કરી. એક્ઝેક્ટલી એના 20 years પછી 15th of March 1983, 21 years પછી. So 25th March of observed as a World Consumer Day every year afterwards. In its meeting on 16th April 1985, the United Nations declared 8 basic consumer rights in its bill, United Nations Guideline for Consumer Protection. According to this, it is recommended every nation of the world to set up effective legal structure for right and interest protection of consumer. So, according to this particular meeting, एक यूनाइटेड नेशन ની ગાઈડલાઈન મળી કે 8 બેઝિક રાઇટ્સ જે છે એ કન્ઝ્યુમર ના સેટિસ્ફાઈ થવા જોઈએ એન્ડ રિસ્પેક્ટિવ કંટ્રીએ એના માટે કેર કરવી જોઈએ. For this, Indian Parliament formed National Consumer Protection Act in 1986 after 3 years of the day World Consumer Day was observed. That means on 15th March 1962, American President John Franklin presented 4 rights. After 21 years, that is 15th March 1983. At that day, Consumers International published a notification on rights of consumers. After that, as you can see, after 3 years, okay, in India, this particular act was there, which is called Consumer Protection Act. CPA could be the short form of it. So every year, 24th December is celebrated as National Consumer Right Day. So in India, National Consumer Right Day is celebrated on 24th of December. Okay. Gujarat government had implemented Gujarat Consumer Protection Act 1988. On the 18th of February 1988, as per this, legal action for consumer protection has been undertaken. There was certain kind of legal action was undertaken. So, if one or two trader or bunch of people not following this rule may be violated by the traders. In 1993 and 2002, many important amendments have been implemented in India in consumer protection. People have wished to bring change in age old act as per the requirement of time. So law must be changed. Therefore, આપણે કહીએ કે constitution જે છે એ આપણું alive છે. Because એની અંદર changes છે, નવું કોઈ rule આવે, નવું કોઈ law આવે, એની અંદરથી bifurcation કરવું પડે, એની અંદર કંઈક સુધારા વધારા જે છે એ જરૂરી છે, તો એની requirement હતી, એને એની અંદર changes પણ થયા by the time. Many provisions have been made under Consumer Protection Legislation 1986. Now we shall gather information about important provisions made the Act. So in this next segment, we are going to discuss that what are the changes that was arising while protecting consumers' rights. So legislation concerning consumer rights. Consumer Protection Act is a milestone in the history of Socio-Economic Act of India and is helpful to people for the protection of right of consumer and their interest. This is most progressive and acceptable law which provides following provisions. So the first provision of it related to consumer service. Under the above legislation, in terms of traders, commodities and service, a consumer may be defined as follows. First, in terms of commodity, a consumer is one who has legal protection. For this, any of the following person. So first person, if person has made payment or has promised to make payment or has agreed for any offered mode of payment in lieu of purchase of any commodity or service is called consumer. So this is the definition of consumer according to legislative. Second, the person who pays the value of product either in a form of installment or by hire purchase system or hires a service, either receives a service is called consumer. पैसा દઈને તમે કોઈની પાસે કામ કરાવો और पैसा લઈ અને કોઈના માટે કામ કરી આપો. But if any person sells a purchased product for a business or commercial purpose or provides free of cost service or the services are personal service agreement, so that they are not covered under the legislation, are not protected. If any person sells purchased product or giving any other prices with it, then legislative orders are not applicable to them. Thus, objective of this law is to see that consumers get product or a service of high quality along with it, protection of interest of customer are also seen. According to provision, if the type of quality of good or service as well as the agreement are not per prevailing law, or provided service are defective or deficient, or commodity is substandard quality, the consumer may complain under the Consumer Protection Law. So if anyhow, if you have paid for this thing or you are going to pay for this, either you are paying cash or you are making installment out of it, and if you are not getting service for it, even though you have paid for it, then these all things are considered as opposing to consumer service. That is a legislation who have dropped this particular laws, but the person who is reselling these goods or anything like that, to them this law is not applicable. Next would be in next session. That's all for now. Thank you.